News coming in, and this is coming out of JNK. This is the BJP launching a scathing attack when it comes to Mehbooba Mufti. Mehbooba Mufti's statement is condemnable. She's playing dirty politics and once again trying to destabilize the situation as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. So that is the BJP reacting to the comments made by Mehbooba Mufti in regard to the blasts that have taken place. This is the white collar terror module that of course had its roots in JNK. Some people found in Faridabad area as well as the national capital and Uttar Pradesh as well. Let's get you the details of what really has been said in regard to this by the BJP.
How unfortunate is the statement of Madam Mehbooba Mufti, the ex-CM of Jammu and Kashmir. And you are stooping so low that you have crossed all the levels. It's obnoxious, bizarre, unfortunate, rather pathetic statement which you have given. A time when you should stand by every youth of Jammu and Kashmir. You should try to show them the path of progress, that we are Indians, we are with our country. And if one moron has done such a thing, then the whole of the Jammu and Kashmir youth is not to be painted with the same brush which Pakistan wants us to be painted. Pakistan wants us to be radicalized. Pakistan wants us to stand against our own country. And leaders like you are playing in the hands of Pakistan. Is there any difference between the statement which is given from Pakistan or those from the deep state and your statement? Is there any difference in that?
This is very unfortunate that a former chief minister is trying to instigate the youth once again. This is not a good politics. We have seen how New Delhi has taken remarkable steps for the betterment of the situation in Kashmir Valley. Attempts being made to again create trouble in the Kashmir Valley. Such statement made by Madam Mehbooba Mufti is a bad part of politics. Politics should be done on the issues for the betterment of people.
Aishwarya joining us in order to get us the latest. Aishwarya, of course, take us through the details of Mehbooba Mufti. They're saying that it is the government that's responsible for the situation, and particularly when it comes to the youth of JNK deviating from their path even after all the education. It is the government that's responsible for the path that they have now, some of them are choosing.
Well, extremely shocking statement from former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti on the Delhi blast when asked about, what led and what she thinks that has happened as far as those people who were involved, who hails from Jammu and Kashmir. It is Mehbooba Mufti who stated and went on to say that it's a poisonous atmosphere that have been created in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is the government which is responsible for the current situation of youth in Kashmir, and they are going towards the dangerous path. In fact, she went on to say that those people say that everything is fine in Kashmir, but there are problems in Kashmir, and ultimately we have found that what's the result, how the youth have expressed what has happened in Red Fort, clearly supporting in a way what led to this blast and what has these people, these terrorists have done, who are the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir, which is extremely shocking. The Bharatiya Janata Party had lashed out at Mehbooba Mufti, stating that this is unfortunate. Certainly, these statements coming from former Chief Minister, and this clearly will send out a wrong message. Instead of showing the right path to the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, she is supporting this heinous act that has been done by the youth. In fact, it is also, the Bharatiya Janata Party stated that under the Modi leadership and the UT which has been run by the Ministry of Home Affairs, there are several developmental projects, infrastructure projects in the last few decades which have which we have seen in Jammu and Kashmir, how tourism has enhanced. These are few steps that the government has been taking as far as zero tolerance policy against terrorism, and if
Absolutely,
something has
Aishwarya.
happened, then it needs to be corrected. Neither someone should have supported you.